Welcome to this tutorial. I'll guide you on how to create and open a folder inside ZIK so you can save the products you find during your product research and stay better organized. There are two ways to open a folder in ZIK Analytics. The first is through the item finder, and the second is via the My Products section. Option 1. Using the item finder. To open a folder using the item finder, simply click on the tool. As long as your selected supplier is not Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping, you'll be able to create a folder and even save products directly into it. Click Select Folder, then New Folder. Give your folder a name, add a description if you'd like, and click Create Folder. You can now save any products you find during your product research into this folder. To view your saved products, navigate to the My Products section. Choose the appropriate tab based on your supplier, Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. Each has its own dedicated tab. From there, you can find your folder. Request a CSV file of some or all products inside of it, or even add them directly to automation tools integrated with ZIK. Option 2, using the My Products section. Go to My Products, click Create New Folder, name your folder, add a description if needed, and click Create Folder. And that's it! 2 easy ways to create and manage product folders with ZIK Analytics. Thanks for watching this tutorial.